everybody, this is Karen March and this is Pepper the Panama. Hey Pepper. So we just received terrible news that Pepper is a lot older than I think, 50 to 60 years old, and Daniel was telling me with a bone scan that she's a lot older than they suspected, and then also she's got liver disease and also a gizzard problem, and they don't know that she's going to live much longer. So beyond heartbreaking. Now this is from a former owner that I think had emphysema, so that's not really the bird. Woo! I love you, Pepper. Okay, you're the... Oh my goodness. Alright, Pepper. Still has a good sense of humor. Okay. Alright, Pepper, we're signing off live at Feather Friends Forever. Have a great day.